Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the My Khe Beach here. Usually there's always some kind of event going on here, but they already packing up. But why I want to come here is the Windham. I really want to check out if they're finally open. The Windham Soleil. Look at this. They display Dior here and like a little bit of shopping. I don't think it's done yet. Huh. Look at how many condos or hotel rooms there are. This is very interesting. Huh. I see some people in there. And furniture. Windham Soleil, Da Nang. If it's open, then it's open since some weeks max. Last time I was here, it was still on construction. Oh, okay. So this here is not done yet, and main lobby and reception is to the right. Let's check it out. So the entrance is to the right here. Huh. Oh wow, look at this. Do you think this is real marble? Looks like very fancy. Here, look at this. But this is also not done yet, so I'm not sure if they are already done here. We will find out. Alright guys, so I just asked. It is a hotel, but also an apartment building. So hotel and apartment. But it is only done from 5th floor to 19th floor at the moment. And the whole building has 50 floors. 50. Wow, crazy. That's a big place. I already told them I will come and make a hotel review. I'm not sure how complete they are, but they told me on the reception that it will be finished by this end of the year, this year. So that's very exciting. Would you want to live here? Huh. I really want to see the hotel rooms first. And then potential apartments, maybe duplex suites, penthouses. This is, I think, the vision. Very interesting. I'm not sure what this is though. Huh. So this is usually where the stage is, and there are gonna be some kind of events, but the stage is like removed now. And DANAF means Da Nang International Fireworks Festival or Film Festival. I think Film Festival, because simultaneously, what a stupid word. That's also the word of today, okay? Gleichzeitig. The German word of today is gleichzeitig. Simultaneously. It's gonna be the International Fireworks Festival here on the river, and also the Da Nang Film Festival. So this weekend, or this whole week, is a little bit tough to get hotel rooms for good price, or even your favorite hotels might be also sold out. So I saw also one comment about this building, and what is very interesting, exciting and phenomenal, they're working on this huge abundant building now. So the Times Square, I think it's called. Yeah, I'm so excited. They're working on it. So I'm not sure what's happening right now, but it was always abundant, kinda. This huge high-rises here. But you see here there's a crane, a lift, and they're working on it. I'm excited. And also, next to this place, so this is Da Nang Times Square. Great high-rise here. And then look at it on the left side. They should be done soon too. Also interesting. They always have to have some kind of hotel in there, but I think there are always some options for long-term apartments or condo apartments, hotel apartments. Yeah, basically living by the sea with a sea view, waking up there. Yeah, look at how many rooms there are here. So what is the name of this place here? Da Nang Times Square still. So everything is Da Nang Times Square. I hope they will finish this before already, because it looks already done. There are the windows in and everything. Pretty interesting, guys. Now let's check out the beach part here. I think this is huge. If they finish this, it's gonna be great. Yeah, DANAF means Da Nang Asian Film Festival. Da Nang Asian Film Festival. What do we have here? Sponsors. There you can see where they're also gonna have it. They were in the Furama Resort, Epic Park in Da Nang. It's in the city. Da Nang General Science Library. Lots of in the Furama though, I remember that. Very interesting, guys. So yeah, it's a pretty busy week, so this is why also it's tough to get a hotel room at the moment. In June, July, you always have to be a little bit cautious. Booking early in advance is very wise, because just because of the fireworks festival alone, now having the film festival every year now too, if it is every year here, I'm not sure. That would be also another important factor to consider if you book. Don't go last minute at this time of the year. Usually last minute is good, but in the summertime, be aware, it can get full. This is the yoga mat of Da Nang here. It's still morning now. And yes, Mark, I'm actually working on waking up early every day. I woke up today at 8, so tomorrow 7:30, and then every time a little bit earlier. There you have calisthenics, I think, also with weights. Interesting. So here, if you want to have a healthy lifestyle, this is the community here, especially in the morning. I mean, healthy lifestyle you will see in the morning all over the coast. Because Vietnamese are very up early, working out, getting stretched. Yeah. They might not walk much because they drive with the motorbike there and drive back, drive everywhere with the motorbike, but they do their sport in the places that counts on the beach, right? Is there anything new here? No, it's still the Chickland, nice hotel, very Instagrammable hotel. They also have a trophy there, most Instagrammable hotel in 2024 or something, I don't know. Very interesting. Blue Sun Hotel. We're here at the East-West Brewery, and then the lots of restaurants, steakhouses starts now. This is also pretty nice here. Also beachfront. It's very nice around sunset time, very nice. So this whole area is very nice, the restaurants and everything. I'm really wondering what happened to these construction sites here on the left soon. Very interesting, guys. I still have to finish my beachfront hotels here. I haven't been to all of them yet. I think I have to go still to Canvas, Diamond Sea, Blue Sun. But guys, stay tuned on my main channel. I did a hotel review. I was very shocked how good it was. And yeah, I just want to say the toilets though. Wow. It's gonna come out on Thursday. So stay tuned for that. Here's the seafood and Kyoto. I think the M Village is now, after the renovation, is open again. I still did not review this hotel yet. I really have to check this one out once. Because this is basically beachfront, right at the sand. The Kyoto, very nice. And what is happening here, guys? I remember I had a date one time in this restaurant. This was the Kyoto before. I was on the beachfront there and had a date with my now wife. But they built something huge here. Dude, this looks phenomenal. Wow. Esco Beach, like always, very aesthetic, beautiful, well-run place. Now they have another car over here. Before that, there was like a van or something. Now they have a truck. It's pretty cool. But as you can see here also, lots of buses, tour groups. They get here to the beach clubs. Very interesting. You know what? I think I have to do another review on the Sala Hotel. I just got so much good positive feedback again from the Sala Hotel. I did it once, but it was in a arrival guide, but I have to do it separately, I think. And look at this. This is a Indian beach restaurant, Nazare. Can you imagine that? This is an Indian beach restaurant in Da Nang, Vietnam. This is the first Indian restaurant on My Khe Beach. So if you fancy some butter chicken, garlic naan with a sea breeze, there you go. There also, if you haven't been here for a long time, they removed all the bars over there. Those pop-up bars who were standing there for many years now. Yeah. They were just removed in one day, as you can see here. Done. Nothing here anymore. Now it's only the expensive things here. You see a lot of hammocks here. So if you want to have a nap, it's the place to go here. It's a nice breeze here. That's very nice. So I think it's a good place to have a nap. In the shade, with the breeze, hearing the ocean. And there are absolutely no waves almost there today. It's very calm. I see many people far out there. So this is the perfect time to swim now. I think it's also the best time to be in the beach in the morning, to be honest. Yeah, I can only recommend that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next walk.